There is a problem with ZANU-PF and how it understands things. ZANU-PF has never been a party of the Tonga people. It has never been. And it cannot force itself upon us using chiefs or using village heads. It cannot do that. There are certain issues, historical issues, that need to be attended to. And unless those things are attended to.
Let's deal with that, Honorable.
Yes.
When you say ZANU-PF has never been a party of the Tonga people,
yes.
What exactly are you talking about?
Look,
because since independence,
yes,
right?
Yeah.
Until the Unity Accord,
yes,
the ZANU-PF has been there and there as in this country.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
How, and the government has been the government of ZANU-PF.
Yes.
How does it, how do you say it has never been for the people of Benin?
You know, the only person that ZANU-PF tried to embrace historically and thought that would bring them close to the Tonga people is the late Sigajaya Mtanga. He is the only Tonga who lies at the National Heroes Eka. But you see, we don't think that respecting us after our death is sufficient respect. ZANU-PF has never respected the Tonga people, okay? We were removed from the Zambezi River in 1958, okay?
And it has nothing to do with ZANU-PF this way.
Yeah, no, ZANU-PF is in government. Please.
No, I'm saying, if you're saying you were removed in 1958. 58,
yes. Okay, our lifestyle was disturbed. We were relocated and dropped somewhere in the bushes. Okay, we lived by the Zambezi River banks because we got our water there. We got our food security there. We literally, our lifestyle was food secure. We were secure in all means. But we sacrificed for the good of the whole country. And we were removed by the colonial government.
Yes.
And that colonial government didn't fulfill its promises from 1958 to 1980. We agreed, it's fine. They are makiwas.
Yeah.
Maybe they don't care about us. Let's see how our black brothers are going to act. They have been in power longer than the period that the colonial government was in power. They haven't done anything about us. They haven't done anything to us. They have left us on our own. And for them now to pretend, because Mnangagwa has got some dialect of Tonga that he learned in Zambia, that they can pretend to say they are now coming to us and they are pretending that they are loving us and we can hug and kiss them. No, we will not do that. If ZANU-PF really loved Binga, the 42 years that they have been in power, they would have known that there was something that the Tonga people were supposed to get after their relocation from the Zambezi. They haven't done anything. And if you want to see, is it by coincidence that 42 years down the line, Zimbabwe, ZANU-PF government has never seen a single Tonga being a deputy minister or a minister for that matter? And you all know that the Zimbabwean development trajectory is surrounded around the position of a minister, because a minister has got a budget. And those are the people that can say, okay, I want to make a road here, I want to create water point here, I want to do this here. ZANU-PF has never. ZANU-PF has got the capacity to appoint Murwira, who was beaten in the primary elections in Gutu, to be Minister of Higher Education. But they can't do that to the Tonga counterparts who lose elections in ZANU-PF or in ZANU-PF or in the general elections. They can't do that. That is a sign that ZANU-PF doesn't belong to the Tonga people and doesn't care about Tonga. And mind you, it is not only about the Tonga people. ZANU-PF traditionally remains a Karanga and Zezuru party. In the yesteryears, it was a Zezuru party. Today, it is a Karanga party. It doesn't care about those so-called minority languages or minority tribes. And for them to try and come and harvest our votes now, it won't work out.